Welcome to Medcare Women and Children Hospital.
Thank you.
I'm Nurhan, the laser and beauty therapist. Today I will check your skin to check exactly what your skin needs, okay?
Okay.
We will start first step, normal cleanser, okay?
Okay.
Here now we finish the cleanser. We will apply a toner. Now we will scrub. We will open the steamer to help us for opening the pores. Now we will start with the HydraFacial machine, and this is the first step. It's gonna be the dermabrasion. Now the last step, the derma pen. Now we are using a collagen serum to better penetrate your skin, okay? So dear, we have did our session, HydraFacial with derma pen, and I want now your feedback.
That was amazing, honestly. The procedure was so smooth and my skin feels so tight now. Like I feel like newborn, like a newborn really. And it was very relaxing as well. Thank you so much.
Okay.